In this video, I'll detail how to enable show notification indicator on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, this is the Apple Watch Series 9 45mm cellular plus GPS, and you want to enable show notification indicator, this video is going to walk you through. So if at the end of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to enable or turn on show notifications indicator on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go to your Apple Watch settings. To access the settings, you just need to press the crown button once, and you'll be taken to the app page like this. Then locate the settings gear icon and click on that. Now, once you click on that, scroll down and then click on notifications. Then here, scroll down and locate notifications indicator. So once this is turned on, a red dot can appear at the top of your watch face. When you have unread notifications, swipe down to view them. So you can just swipe down to view them when you have the red dot indicating that you have notifications on your Apple Watch. Then go ahead and turn this on. And once this is enabled, that is going to turn on notifications indicator on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.